Afternoon, can I tie Dan speaking?
Yeah, hello, how are you today, boy?
Good, mate.
Now, I need to see if you have the, what do you call the, when you chop the tree?
The what, sorry?
When you chop the chainsaw.
The chainsaw?
Yeah.
Yes, certainly, mate.
Okay, do you have the small one, the big one, what do you have the size?
Small ones, big ones.
You have a big one? Okay, okay. But small problem, I went to Kennett High on, I think, Forest Road. That right?
Bexley, yeah.
Yeah, but not good shit service, you know. The boy, I come inside, he give me the chainsaw, go back home, that's broken. I said, fuck.
What, sorry?
The chainsaw, I get the chainsaw from the Forest Road, but no good broken, you know.
Yeah.
So I try to use it, I turn on very good, but put on the tree, it don't cut. I say, shit.
Are you cutting at the stump or are you cutting at the tree?
Not the tree, you know, on the brain.
Yeah. What, they didn't fix it for you?
Nah, but it take too much time, you know. He said, bring the chain, new chain tomorrow, come back and pick up for you. I said, too much time, I have to do today, you know.
So have you still got his machine?
No, I gave it back. I give back, but I want to come to you. Maybe I get another one from you, you know.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, how much cost?
For the small one or the big one?
Big one, I like big.
The big one, 18 inches, 115 for the day.
Fuck, big, 18 in. Fuck, my one 3 in. Yeah, okay, I come pick up. How much?
115.
115.
That's for the day.
Okay, and chop. You do have special price or something?
What?
The special price?
Special price?
Yeah.
No? What are you going to give me?
I don't know what do you like.
I don't know, let's make an exchange.
I come from Thailand because, you know, so I can
You got tasers?
I can give you a happy time, you know. Maybe lick your ball, lick your nipple, what do you like? Hello?
Maybe.
I
You
lick
got that for 99 though in Sydney.
99. I lick your bowl, okay?
For 99?
For 99, you give me 99, I lick your bowl and your nipple on top.
That's a pretty fair deal.
Fucking done deal, boy.
Cheaper for cash.
I come chip, okay, I give you cat $80, lick your bowl and nipple and maybe the earlobe.
Sounds great.
Done deal?
Sounds good.
Fucking brilliant. Okay, I come there and get the chainsaw. But small problem with the chainsaw shit quality. What happened then? I come back to you or what?
I'll give you what you give me back.
Oh, you lick my ball back? I'm coming right now, boy. I come right to your manager there. I lick your manager ball, your ball,
Yeah.
your wife ball, everyone.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, love you, boy. Thank you very much.